We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about how to survive a freaking bear attack, and 127 other survival hacks you'll hopefully never need, by Bill O'Neill, narrated by Robin LaRose, and published by LAK Publishing. If you own this book, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. How to Survive a Freakin' Bear Attack is a survival guide that stands out for its blend of practical advice and humor. It is designed for readers of all ages, but especially appeals to teens and young adults, as evidenced by numerous reviewers who bought it for their children or grandchildren. The book is praised for its accessible writing style, which combines real survival knowledge with a lighthearted, tongue-in-cheek tone that keeps the content engaging and memorable. The author, Bill O'Neill, is well known for his trivia books, and his expertise in presenting information in an entertaining yet informative way is evident throughout this survival guide. The book covers a wide array of scenarios, from escaping quicksand and surviving wild animal encounters to handling emergencies like fires, earthquakes, and even more unusual situations such as meteor crashes or being stuck in an elevator. The breadth of topics, 127 in total, ensures that readers are exposed to both common and outlandish survival situations, making the book as much a conversation starter as it is a practical reference. Readers consistently highlight the book's organization, noting that tips are presented in a clear, easy-to-understand manner, often accompanied by anecdotes and illustrations. This makes the information not only easy to digest, but also easy to recall in stressful situations. The book's structure lends itself well to casual reading. Many reviewers mention it as a perfect bathroom book or a fun gift for white elephant parties, further emphasizing its versatility and appeal as a light yet useful read. In terms of performance, the book delivers on its promise to entertain while educating. The humor interwoven with genuine survival tips keeps readers engaged, and many report sharing hacks with friends and family after reading. The book's tone is conversational, as if the reader is being guided by a survival expert who doesn't take themselves too seriously, which helps demystify potentially intimidating topics. Usability is another strong point. The book's compact size and accessible language make it suitable for quick reference, whether at home, on the go, or while camping. Several reviewers purchased it specifically for family members who spend time outdoors, citing its practical value in preparing for unexpected situations. The book's appeal is broad, making it suitable for anyone interested in quirky survival guides, outdoor enthusiasts, or those simply looking for a unique and entertaining gift. There are, however, some criticisms. A few readers note that the book contains several misspelled words and could benefit from better editing. For some topics, additional illustrations or diagrams would have been helpful to clarify instructions. While many tips are practical, some are described as common sense, and a handful of readers would have preferred more in-depth coverage of certain subjects. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall impression is overwhelmingly positive. The book is frequently described as both hilarious and helpful, with a balance that makes it enjoyable for readers of all ages. It is lauded as a perfect gift for teens, outdoor lovers, and anyone who enjoys learning new things in a fun, approachable way. The physical quality of the book is generally good, though there are isolated reports of shipping damage, such as folded or crinkled pages, which appear to be rare and related to delivery rather than the product itself. In summary, How to Survive a Freakin' Bear Attack is a delightful and practical addition to any bookshelf, glove compartment, or backpack. Its unique combination of humor and real-world advice makes it stand out in the crowded field of survival guides. Whether you are looking to be better prepared for life's oddest challenges or simply want a fun read to share with friends, this book delivers. Its user-friendly format, wide-ranging content, and entertaining style make it highly recommended by readers from all walks of life. If you have read or used this book, please share your experience in the comments to help others decide if it's the right choice for them. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us bring more reviews like this to you.